Flood warning in effect from this morning to early Wednesday morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Millstone River at Blackwell's Mills. When? From this morning to early Wednesday morning. Impacts. At 6.0 feet, the Griggstown Causeway is closed due to flooding. At 7.0 feet, several more causeways are closed due to flooding. At 9.0 feet, flood stage reached with flooding now along River Road in Blackwell's Mills and south. River Street in Millstone. Base of Route 533 bridge floods. River Road between Yorktown and Amsterdam is subject to closure. Canal Road near Sidham Road floods. At 10.0 feet, the DNR Canal is flooded by the Millstone River. Additional details, at 6:30 a.m. Monday the stage was 7.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 11.6 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.4 feet on April 3rd, 2005. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from this afternoon until